If you're looking for a quick and easy dessert recipe for your Independence Day picnic, make sure you have some of the red, white, and blue. For Worldwide Campus Cookover, I'm going to show you how to make American flag fruit pizza for the 4th of July. First, preheat the oven for 350 degrees. Also, you have to make and prepare sugar cookie dough recipe. I will add the link in the description box below at the end of this video. So, I already rolled the cookie dough very flattened and I cut it into 8.5 by 11.5 inch rectangle. Then I carefully place it on the cookie sheet like with parchment paper. And now you're going to bake it for 8 to 10 minutes. While I'm waiting the cookie to bake in the oven, I sliced all the strawberries in half and bananas. So here's why I set the fruit toppings aside just a moment. I got the strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. To make a filling, put in 8-ounce package of room temperature cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and cream it together until nice and smooth. Add in 1 cup of confectioner's sugar just little by little, and keep going. You want to make sure to scraping down the bottom of the bowl occasionally. Alright, after the cookies is just baked in the oven, you're going to spread the filling on top of the cookie. Then you want to arrange the fruit toppings where the 13 stripes and 50 stars were put on top of the spread filling with cookie. Of course, there's leftover strawberries, bananas, and blueberries after I arrange. I'll save it for later, or maybe who can eat it. And here's the finished American flag fruit pizza, ready to celebrate for the 4th of July. For more recipes, be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And remember, please write the comments, share my video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everybody. Happy 4th of July!